Hello, WellnessPals. Welcome to another empowering episode of WellnessPals podcast. Today, we're embarking on a deeply personal journey into the realm of self-love, a vital yet often overlooked aspect of holistic well-being. It's time to break free from the chains of self-doubt, overcome body shaming, and embrace the amazing individual you truly are. In a world obsessed with appearances, it's easy to feel inadequate. Unrealistic beauty standards bombard us daily, leading many to chase perfection that doesn't exist. True beauty, however, lies in individuality and self-acceptance. Let's redefine beauty on our terms and celebrate the quality that makes us unique. Think of self-worth as the foundation of your personal growth. Strengthening it takes effort, but the rewards are life-changing. Here is how. Number 1. Positive self-talk. Replace critical inner dialogue with affirmation like I am capable, resilient, and enough. Number 2. Set achievable goals. Break big ambitions into smaller steps. Celebrate every small win. Number 3. Practice self-care. Nourish your mind, body, and soul with activities that restore balance, from meditation to walk in nature. Number 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people who uplift you and avoid toxic influences. Now, let's discuss the power of radical self-compassion. Radical self-compassion is about extending kindness to yourself, even when you stumble. It involves number 1, mindful awareness. Notice your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Number 2, self-kindness. Be gentle with yourself, especially during tough times. And number 3, common humanity. Understand that struggles and imperfections are part of the human being, or being human. Next, overcoming body shaming. Body shaming can damage self-esteem, but it doesn't define you. Here is how to overcome it. Number 1, challenge negative belief. Question and dismiss harmful thoughts about your appearance. Number 2, focus on health, not looks. Prioritize habits that promote overall well-being, not superficial ideals. Number 3, celebrate diversity. Embrace the beauty of all body types, including your own. Number 4, find positive role models. Seek inspiration from people and communities that promote body positivity. Number 5, practice gratitude. Appreciate your body for what it can do rather than how it looks. Acknowledge its strength, resilience, and ability to carry you through life. Finally, Your journey to unbreakable confidence starts with self-love. Self-love isn't a destination, it's a journey filled with ups and downs. It requires patience, effort, and a willingness to let go of societal expectations. Remember, you're more than your appearance. You're worthy of love, respect, and happiness just as you are. Growth is a continuous process. Celebrate every step forward. When you commit to building your self-worth, practicing self-compassion, and rejecting unrealistic standards, you unlock the confidence to live authentically and joyfully. Thank you for joining me on this deeply personal and empowering episode of the WellnessPals podcast. I hope today's discussion inspires you to remember your uniqueness and challenge harmful stereotypes and nurture a healthier relationship with yourself. Remember, self-love is a powerful act of rebellion in a world that profits from your self-doubt. Until next time, WellnessPals, stay strong, stay beautiful, and most importantly, stay true to yourself. That is it. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to share it with your friend, leave a review, and subscribe to the WellnessPals podcast on your favorite streaming platform. Together, let's redefine what it means to love and accept ourselves. I remain your host, OKE. Until next time, goodbye.